Hello, little friends! Look, there are so many colorful Play-Doh and special ice cream molds here. Let's make some delicious ice creams together. Which ice cream mold should we choose? Aha! I'll take this one. It's a popsicle mold. Awesome. Now let's choose our Play-Doh. I really like the orange Play-Doh. I'll use it for our first popsicle. Yay! Orange. First, we need to press the Play-Doh a little. The Play-Doh is now ready for shaping. The extra Play-Doh will be cut away. Then we'll do the same with this detail mold. Keep pressing. We don't need this extra Play-Doh anymore. Remove it. Now let's carefully lift off the mold. We'll decorate the ice cream a little more. Now take a look at our popsicle. Doesn't it look delicious? Yes! We still have lots of other fun ice cream molds. Do you know what kind of ice cream this is? Soft serve ice cream. That's right. I'll choose a chocolate-colored Play-Doh. Here we go. Brown. We'll roll it out with this rolling pin. Roll, roll, and roll. Do you think we've rolled enough Play-Doh for the ice cream? I just got a really fun idea for this mold. We'll use red Play-Doh for strawberry flavor, orange Play-Doh for orange flavor, yellow Play-Doh for mango flavor, green Play-Doh, blue Play-Doh for blueberry flavor, light blue Play-Doh for mint flavor, purple Play-Doh for taro flavor, and finally pink Play-Doh. We'll combine lots of different flavors into one ice cream. Are you ready to see the results? It looks just like a colorful rainbow. So beautiful. Wow! Let's put it over here and make another kind of ice cream. Can you guess what we're going to make next? How about this ice cream mold? Very good. We're going to make an ice cream cup using blue and purple Play-Doh. Let's make it together. Blue and purple. Do you remember the steps? Great job! Roll the Play-Doh. Roll it up, roll it down. Now it's time for the cutting mold. Don't forget the detail mold. Now, we just need to remove the extra Play-Doh and see the result. A bright red cherry will make this ice cream cup look even more delicious. Our ice cream cup is ready to be served to our customers. That was so much fun. We still have one more ice cream mold here. It's an ice cream cone. Come on, little friends. We'll use this pink Play-Doh to make it. We'll do the same thing we did with the other ice cream. The ice cream mold needs a nice, smooth, flat piece of Play-Doh to shape it. Place it on top and press it down. Don't forget the inner mold too. The extra Play-Doh has been cut away. Now let's lift off the mold. Add the cone and add a little sparkling green star-shaped candy on top. Twinkle, twinkle. Do you like it? All right, let's take one more look at all of our delicious ice creams. We made a soft serve ice cream, a popsicle, an ice cream cup, and an ice cream cone. We learned so many colors and had so much fun playing together. Goodbye, and see you next time.